Beneath the glittering surface of our oceans lies a world driven by a relentless cycle of consumption. At the very bottom of the marine food chain resides the cleanup crew. Shrimp, crawfish, crabs, lobsters, oysters, and clams to the culinary world, they are luxury on a plate, the most expensive delicacies money can buy. But to the ecosystem, they play a far more utilitarian role. They are the bottom feeders and the ocean filters. For decades, a lingering question has hovered over these prized catches. Are they inherently dangerous to eat? To answer that, we have to look at how they live. Take the humble oyster, a master of filtration. A single adult oyster can pump up to 50 gallons of water through its body every single day. They draw in everything, trapping plankton, nutrients, and vital energy. But in a changing world, this biological superpower comes with a dark side: bioaccumulation. Because they filter everything, they concentrate whatever is in the water directly into their tissues. In warm coastal zones, they can harbor dangerous bacteria like Vibrio. And during sudden, toxic algal blooms, known as red tides, these creatures absorb heat-stable toxins. Toxins that no amount of cooking can destroy. But what about the foragers of the deep? Crustaceans like lobsters and crabs don't filter water. They patrol the seabed, consuming detritus and organic matter from the ocean floor. Here, the risk changes shape. When a crustacean ingests heavy metals or chemical pollutants, its biology does something remarkable to protect itself. It isolates the danger. Toxins like mercury, cadmium, and PCBs accumulate almost entirely within the tomali, the animal's vibrant green liver and pancreas. The highly prized tail and claw meat, it remains incredibly clean, often carrying a lower heavy metal load than open ocean predators like tuna or swordfish. Nature's design keeps the meat safe, provided we leave the tomali behind. In the wild, the risk is real, but on our plates, the danger is held at bay by a vast invisible shield. Today, commercial shellfish waters are aggressively monitored by global health agencies. At the first sign of a toxic bloom or rising bacterial count, entire fisheries are instantly locked down. The ocean's cleanup crew works tirelessly in the shadows of the deep, and thanks to strict modern science, we can enjoy the fruits of their labor, safely brought to light.